What's the meaning of byproduct? Byproduct. Byproduct.
Byproduct. Byproduct. A byproduct refers to any secondary or incidental product that is created during the production process of a primary product. It is not the main focus of the production process and is often not intentionally produced. Byproducts are typically of lesser value than the main product but can still provide economic benefits, reduce waste, and even be reused in other production processes. For example, animal hides are a byproduct of the meat industry and can be used to produce leather goods. Overall, byproducts play an important role in many industries and help to optimize resource utilization and reduce waste.